fish giving a flick. K is for kangaroo hopping so high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey swinging in trees. N is for nest where birds take ease. O is for octopus with 8 long arms. P is for penguin with icy charms. Q is for quail so small and neat. R is for rabbit quick on his feet. S is for star shining so bright. T is for turtle with a shell so tight. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for violin that music can play. W is for well so big and blue. X is for xylophone with sound so true. Y is for yak with shaggy hair. Z is for zebra with stripes so rare. Now you know the A